Caribbean people unite! Good evening, how you doing? This is the Mad White Jamaican. Look, there's a form right now being submitted to the FCC. They need to get this in by May the 2nd. So if you can, please, by all means, I am posting a link to the left side of my screen. Fill out that survey because we want to make our own Caribbean network to play on satellite and cable. I am so excited because that means that they will invest in people like me to make entertaining programs for them. Like, you know me, honestly, if I ever was part of Caribbean TV, I'll call up all of my friends them and we make like a Real McCoy type skit. I would even call people back from the Real McCoy for just ideas and stuff like that. But at least we'll put the power back into our people hand. Our people. We can put Grace Kennedy ads on there. We can put like Tasty's, Patty's ads on there. You know what I mean? I'm such a hypocrite. I like Cheerios. I'm not lying. Anyway, look. I'm filling out the survey. Watch me fill it out. It takes less than a...
Here we go. The survey doesn't take that long. It says, what's your address? Just put in your zip code. You don't need to put in your real address. 22205. That's my zip code. Anybody who wants to start me at this time of day. Let me see. Which country are you from? Doesn't have to be the Caribbean. I'm gonna put I spelled it wrong. Jamaica. There we go. It says, would you like to see 24/7 Caribbean channel on cable? Hell yes, I would. Why not? Put me on it every single day too. Say, would you subscribe to a 24-hour Caribbean channel on cable? Oh, of course. Why not? Yes, please put that online too so I can do my antics. Do you have satellite or cable? Well, I have cable. It's like program of interest you would like to see. Well, I would like to see comedy. I would like to see music. I would like to see news, documentaries. As a matter of fact, community, drama, lifestyle, religion, and sports, and others. Well, you know what my other is? Well, my other is Mad White Jamaican. I want everything. Good. And now it's also asking, what would you probably play monthly? I'm gonna put other because this is priceless to me. So I'm gonna put $1 million because that's priceless to me. If I had it, I'm gonna put a note. All right. How old are you? Honestly, I'm between 25 and 30 years old. All right. What is your gender? Male. Yeah, big man. What is your email address? madwhitejamaican@hotmail.com. And then it says, we want our own Caribbean TV channel. Yes. And I'm going to put submit. Done.
Please, I implore you. If you don't fill out this survey to say we want a Caribbean channel, please, why to get paid? You think we want to go Jamaica again and check a girl on my mother car? You know what that was like? That's another story. Cheerios tastes good. I'm endorsing Cheerios. Hoping somebody send me money. Cheerios, send me some money. I'm broke.
And have a beautiful day. May God bless you. Please stand clear of closing door. Straight yowza. Ride on. But still I'm a ride on. Yeah. Nothing, ride on. You got to just ride on. Yeah. Nothing, ride on. You got to just ride on. Yeah. Nothing, ride on. You got to just ride on. Yeah. Nothing, ride on. Rick, what up, my ninja? Hey, Gabe, I see you. Hey, yo, you left. What up, my ninja? I'll let your boy some time. Right on.